ना अभिषेको ना संस्कारः सिंहस्य क्रियते वने विक्रमार्जित सत्वस्य स्वयमेव मृगेंद्रता। अर्थात सिंह को जंगल का राजा नियुक्त करने के लिए ना कोई अभिषेक किया जाता है, ना ही कोई संस्कार। फिर भी वह अपने आत्मबल से स्वयं ही मृगेंद्र कहलाया जाता है। राजा बनने के लिए वह किसी पर निर्भर नहीं होता, वह आत्मनिर्भर होता है। A very bright afternoon to one and all present over here. I am Jill Barot from Gujarat. Vocal for local is not just a phrase to me, but it is a chain of change. It is a well-known fact that Bharat was an economically strong land, the Sone ki chidiya. But history took its course and we lost our position. And now it's time to make the history. Vocal for local is not just limited to products, but it has a very wide spectrum. The foundation of an economic superpower lies in the roots of education. So firstly, be vocal for local education. The education system of our wonderland has its own history, from subjects like Ayurveda to scholars like Aryabhat to the first formal university Takshashila. But today, 313 million people are illiterate. And now it's time to support our national education policy, the multilingual and multicultural education system which connects the traditional knowledge with the modern learning, thus the base to make us Atmanirbhar. Number 2, vocal for local business. It's time to make in India, the land who taught the world what coin and barter system is all about. It's time to promote our local brands very pridely. It's time to make them global by giving our qualitative feedback so that they can be much more efficient. Let's follow again what Gandhiji said, Swadeshi apnao. Number 3, vocal for local art. To be an economic superpower, it's really very important to preserve our art. No machineries can substitute art. For example, the patola of Patan, which required lots of mental calculation, attention, and fine hand skills. And when machineries try to copy them, they have failed to add the essence of the originality. Arts like handlooms, handicrafts, paintings, no machineries, computers, and printers can bring that essence. So it's time to support our art and artists by choosing original over duplicate. Number 4, vocal for local employment. India's biggest advantage is its young mind. And to me, self-employment is the greatest source of employment generation. We have seen numbers of startups have been mushroomed in Startup India. So now it's time to support their creativity. Even to motivate them during their failure, because they are the one who are going to generate an economy and the employment within the domain. And number 5, vocal for local places. India is situated at the heart of the earth, where economic activities like construction and farming could be done very easily. So it's time to invest on our land, our people, our mind, and also promote our tourism. It's time to get united and repair our economy and stop seeing ourselves from consumer side and start igniting our minds with creativity. I must say that our jobs do not stop by making hashtags trending on Instagrams and Twitters, but our jobs start after implementing them in our real life. At last, I would like to say that वोकल फॉर लोकल की बात से सबसे रिश्ता जोड़ेंगे, ये युवा भारत के है हर रस्मों को तोड़ेंगे। अपना लक्ष्य जहाँ पर हो मुँह वहीं पर मोड़ेंगे, आज वो ऐसे दौड़ेंगे कि सबको पीछे छोड़ेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद।